What's up everybody? I'm Isaac and thank you for tuning in to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to share a very simple hack that I use every single time I start on post-processing a project. Let's dive right in. So this hack that I'm about to share today is a hack that helps me manage my folders properly. It helps me manage my project assets orderly and efficiently. Alright, so I don't go like sieving through the whole hard disk looking for this particular file or that particular file. Everything I want is as quick as that. Okay, that's what you want in post-processing. You don't want to spend unnecessary time finding anything. Just like how you don't want to spend unnecessary time watching this video, listen to me rant all about it. Okay, so scratch that and let's just jump right in. Okay, so my way of managing my assets starts right at the beginning, creating the specific folders. So when more projects come in, you don't want to be creating these folders every single time a project comes in. So what you're going to do, you're going to create a template, and this is how you're going to create that template.
So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to want to create a main folder, and we're going to title this project template. Subsequently, we're going to create subfolders in this master folder, and this is going to be all the assets that we're going to have for a project. These subfolders could be anything that you want, whichever works your workflow. For me, I just include my project file, raw media, vectors, music, sound effects, and my final export. Now there's no hard and fast rule on how you're supposed to name your folders. What I like to do is I like to have a prefix in front of the name of the folder so that it is always in this order, it is always organized. And okay, so right now you realize that in the master folder we have our various subfolders. And what we're gonna do is we want to compress our master folder, and then we get a zip file. Now, just for explanation's sake, I am going to delete my master folder, the one that's unzipped. Now, each time a client project comes in, each time a client project comes in, all I need to do is I will just double click on the zip folder, which would actually unzip folder, and I would have the respective file system, file management system all ready to go. And that's how I quickly manage my assets right from the get-go, such that I have a pleasant experience working on the project. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like to learn anything else. Like this video and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.